Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to go to the BIOS setting on Windows 11 computer. First, you can do this using keyboard shortcut while you are in the startup menu. First, you need to shut down your PC. You can go to start menu, tap on power icon, tap on shutdown. Then it will be completely shut down your computer. Once it is turned on, you have to press and hold the F2 key. It is in the many PC. If it is different, you can check it on the internet. Or sometime your computer has to press the delete key to get there. While you are holding the key, press the power button to turn on your PC. Keep holding until the BIOS UEFI setting appears. Then you can release that F2 key. So key can be changed during according to your manufacturer. It can be F2, delete, F10 or ESC. So most of the time it will show while you are booting. So first you need to check which key you need to press for the enter the BIOS setting. You can use the internet for that one. So then you can able to log into the boot setting. Other than that, you can do it using Windows 11 setting. So first again you need to go to start menu, tap on power icon, tap on restart while you are pressing the shift key. Don't release the shift key and press the restart button. Then your computer will be restart, and then after you will be able to enter the Windows recovery environment. So there you need to select the troubleshoot option and again advanced option, UEFI firmware setting. Then after click restart. Then you will be able to boot into the BIOS setting. And finally, you can use command prompt for that. Go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. In here you need to type shutdown space /r/0 and space /f space /t space 2 zeros. Hit enter. Then your PC again will be restart to the Windows recovery environment. Then after you can go to troubleshoot, advanced option, UEFI firmware setting and click restart to enter the BIOS, same as this one. So these are the three methods you can try to enter the BIOS in your Windows 11 computer. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.